Michelle Laporte teaches an easy fitness routine which incorporates yoga, stretching, and relaxation. So, Michelle, why would you recommend yoga?
Well, yoga is really for anyone. I find that it often gets misconstrued that it can only be for rich people or fit people, but yoga really is for anyone. And so I love the benefits of just being able to stretch and get into our body to have great benefits.
What are some of the benefits of yoga? What are some of the things that people say they experience after a class?
Well, lots of people find that all of a sudden they realize they actually have a body because we spend so much time in our head. So with yoga, it's a chance to get into our body, but also to allow the body to move in ways that maybe throughout the day at our desk or in our car, it doesn't get an opportunity to. So it helps us to open up, stretch, and also relax. It's actually a really great stress relief too.
Would you say that yoga is something good for all ages?
Oh, definitely, yeah. Up to, like, from kids to, until the day you die, you can do yoga. It really is beneficial for everyone. The body wants to move.
So people can try yoga maybe by going online, but what do you need? Do you need any prior experience?
No, you just need the interest in stretching and enjoying yoga. So, some people will bring a mat, but really if you have a towel, you're ready to go. And you need a body, so I think most of us are able to provide both of those things.
And how were you introduced to yoga?
About 7 or 8 years ago, I started just with gentle yoga classes, some in Toronto, some in other parts of the world. And then eventually I made my way to India, where I tried lots of different styles until I found the style that really fits for me.
And what is that style that you discovered in India?
Well, it's called Hatha. And Hatha is just a very gentle style of massage that allows the stretches to be held for a longer amount of time. So it's not this vigorous, very cardiovascular style of yoga, which is also a form people enjoy. But I really just enjoy long, slow holds, very gentle, and just really feeling out what my body needs today or tomorrow or whenever I'm doing yoga.
So Chrissy, how long have you been taking yoga and what do you like about it?
Probably about 8 years, and everything about it. It's just very calming. It helps with any other workout that you're doing. Makes you stronger.
Would you recommend yoga to others?
Definitely, yeah. It's a wonderful thing. Everyone should try it.
So if you'd like to try a new fitness routine, you might want to start with yoga. For Shaw TV, I'm Ann Gordon-Air.